Go out, make your fiat money, your Federal Reserve notes, and exchange that for any type of currency that you deem valuable. The same way if you...
I'm too smart to be broke. I'm too smart to be broke. I'm too smart to be broke. Where's the money?
Greetings, family. What's going on? It's Cornez with Too Smart to Be Broke, and I want to thank you for coming to the channel today. Look, I got a review for you, an update for Forsage, and I'm gonna kick it to you, but let me kick this to you real quick. Look, check this out. Look, I'm doing this because I believe in it, okay? I've done my due diligence for myself, and I believe in Ethereum, okay? I believe in this platform, and I am not telling anybody to go do what I am doing. No way, shape, or form. If you don't feel like it's right for you, if you feel like it's a pyramid scheme, a Ponzi scheme, or something that you don't want to invest your money in, I get it. You know, I'll tell you like this straight up. If you do like crypto or you want to get into Ethereum, I wouldn't look at it as an investment. You know, that's my opinion. Why do I say that? Because it's a currency. Okay, so actually when you actually go to Jamaica, or you go to Canada, or you're going outside of the country, you're going to transfer or exchange your USD dollars, Federal Reserve notes, to whatever currency that community of people are using in that system. You know, you don't look at it as an investment, you look at it as an exchange. Okay, there may be a little bit of a fee with that exchange when you get over there, but more or less, if you go give 50 US dollars to Canada, whatever the equivalent to that is, what you would get. And that's how I looked at these digital currencies. Imagine how, you know how we have a lot of digital currencies, we have a lot of physical currencies. So guess what? What does that tell you? I wonder how long this physical fiat money is going to be around. Maybe I do a video on what fiat means, okay? So what I'm saying is, you don't have to be in a platform like this, because to be honest with you, unless you're doing something similar to what I'm doing and speaking to people, or you're actually running traffic, or you have a community of people that you're talking to, with any platform similar to this, you're not going to get very far, if anywhere, if you're not willing to do the work. Okay, and if you're not willing to communicate, talk with people, if you're not willing to share information, then it won't work. So go out and make your money. Plenty of ways to make money. Go out, make your fiat money, your Federal Reserve notes, and exchange that for any type of currency that you deem valuable. The same way if you make Federal Reserve notes and you want to go buy gold and silver, okay? You know, but it'll take something of equal value or exchange to actually go get that gold and silver. This is no different from this digital currency. Now, with that being said, if you want to join a team, you know, you can go through me, and we got a private Facebook community where we'll actually be sharing with each other, and we'll teach you about traffic and stuff like that. But just for the purposes of this video, okay, look, I'm just doing this right now as making video content and seeing how it does, okay? But it doesn't matter to me, because anyway I take it, even if it's an L, it's a learning experience, and that's just how I operate. So look, I got the same $6 that I showed you from yesterday, but it's better than Nathan. So I'm not making any guarantees with anybody that's doing this. I'm documenting my process, and you know, it'll be a fun journey. I like challenges, you know, but I like the fact I got in on this early, and I believe in cryptocurrencies. I even showed you in the last video, when you see where the USD is, did you see how the USD coin is connected to Ethereum? If you didn't pick that up, you need to go check the last video, or just research the USD coin. That's right, USD coin. That means, guess what? The United States are in the digital currency realm of things. So if you think this is a joke, you better go see what JP Morgan and all them other people are doing. Okay, all right. So look, just real quick, because I rambled, because I only wanted to make this video 3 to 5 minutes, and it's already 3 minutes. So you can see right here, this first X3 tier is pretty much direct referrals, and this one up here is the spillover, if you want to call it that. Okay, so you can actually, you see that boom boom, it's a dot right here, and this dot says partner invited by you, overflow from up, and so on and so forth. But I like it because, you know, I can set my goal here. I can see how much Ethereum has actually been transacted to my wallet, and it's a beautiful thing for me. Okay, so there are plenty of ways to, you know, exchange your money for anything. You know, that's what we do with these Federal Reserve notes. All we're doing when we're spending them, so-called spending them, we're just exchanging it for something else that we deem as valuable, or because we believe the dollar to be valuable. But I'll save that topic for another video. I just wanted to give you an update. Look, I got the same $6 I had yesterday. Hey, peace to the brother actually joined under me. Please send me an email at toosmarteth@gmail.com. That way we can get you plugged in inside the private Facebook community so we can actually help each other, build with each other, talk with each other. So please do that. I'm gonna go back and at you in the last video that you commented on just to make sure that you know, you got that message. But please do that so you can get into the private Facebook community. All right. But you know what? I feel good, and I just want to express, don't do this if you're not willing to put in work, talk to people, or share with people. Okay, just find some ways to actually go out and make some USD. Don't do this if you don't believe in it. Okay, don't do this if you're not willing to put in the work. Do not do this if you're not willing to share with people. Do not do this if you're not willing to run some type of traffic to it. Do not do this if you not have a niche or community-based audience that will actually be intrigued by something like this. Okay? Go make some USD and exchange that money for any currencies or any other thing that you seem deemed valuable, such as gold, silver, palladium, or whatever it is, real estate. You know, it's so many things to get into. Don't let this be your all be all. All I'm doing is sharing something with you that I'm doing and documenting my journey. And if you want to actually join the team or see what we got going, have more of a direct communication basis, then that's on you. It's not on me. And this is not a business. This is not an investment. At this time, I'm just looking at ways to exchange my monies so I can actually have currencies that I deem valuable in the current age that we're living in. So that's all I wanted to say. You already know, you're too smart to be broke. Stay tuned for the upcoming videos. Peace.
I'm too smart to be broke. I'm too smart to be broke. I'm too smart to be broke. Where's the money?